Odense Steel Shipyard has been renowned for their ability to take advantage of the latest technology. Short before the decision to close the yard was taken, Odense Steel Shipyard implemented the final robot system that challenged the traditional thinking of welding robot applications. The new idea was small mobile robot units capable of entering the ballast tanks of the double hull sections, and with a simple user interface being able to perform 90% of the time-consuming welding in these blocks. The task was both improving working environment for the welders as well as efficient cost reduction. The main difference in the concept comparing to standard way of making robot applications is the mobility of the system and the simplicity of the user interface. The software developed for this system is not made in traditional robot language, but takes advantage of the underlying system language of the Fanuc robots. The system language makes it possible to program the intelligence into the robot, leaving but a few simple options to the operator. This means that the operator does not need a traditional training course in robot handling and programming, because the whole system is based on a simple menu structure and the operator only need to be familiar with this system. At Odense Steel Shipyard, new operators are taught using the robots from the other operators and are very soon familiar with the user interface. The robot does not need any information about the current features of the working area. The user selects which side needs to be welded, and the robot uses the tip of the welding wire to measure all the information needed. The operator has the possibility to deselect some features if necessary, otherwise the robot will weld the entire selected side of the room. The software dynamically adjusts the welding programs to what is actually there, minimizing the risk of operator errors. While welding, the system monitors the welding process and the arc sensor, making sure that welding errors are detected before too much damage is done. If welding errors occur, the robot retracts to a safe position, leaving enough space for the operator to clean the welding torch. When asked to resume the aborted job, the robot automatically moves back to the previous welding position and continues from there. Apart from improving environmental issues for the workers, welding quality is also improved and the time consumption is lowered significantly. When all the welding jobs are done, the robot positions itself on the track in its transporting position and is ready for the next site or the next room.